2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, whoa there, Midday Applesauce. No need to act up. We have to prepare for the Junior Advanced Beginner Folkwestrian Hobby Horse Show Jumping Dressage Derby Extravaganza. Nice! It's all right, Midday Applesauce. Now, giddy up.
You're not gonna win the Junior Advanced Beginner Folkwestrian Hobby Horse Show Jumping Dressage Derby Extravaganza riding like that. And besides, your horse has no pedigree. She looks like her damn sorry was a mule. Shh, shh. It's okay, Secretongliac. This will make you run better.
Dumper! Doping! I knew you were cheating!
It's not what it looks like. Secretongliac needed her, Ozempic?
Secretongliac has been skinny and bony since she was a filly. She doesn't need a GLP-1. I'm telling the Hobby Horse Association.
Mick McKinsley, it's not.
I hate this job, Shoemaker. I wish I could go back to horse riding, even if it's just for one day.
You're lucky to be alive, Turncott. You know what usually happens when a horse breaks it?
Babe!
Use your words.
It's May Braylene! She's doping! She's doping like Neil Armstrong!
You mean Louis Armstrong?
How do you dope a hobby horse? Wasn't it Lance Armstrong with the doping? Whatever. I'm sure it wasn't a big deal. Run along, get ready for the Junior Advanced Beginner Folkwestrian Hobby Horsing Show Jumping Extravaganza. Why did we pick that name?
Ladies and gentlemen and equines, welcome to the Junior Advanced Beginner Folkwestrian Extravaganza. I'm Director Turcotte.
And I'm Director Shoemaker. Lots of promising contestants today, Turncott.
Wait! You were cheating! You were a cheater, pumpkin eater! You were doping Secretongliac!
So what? There's no rules against it.
Are we supposed to make a rule about that?
Maybe.
Well, it's still not fair. Through all of my years hobby horsing, I've learned a lot of important lessons. And it's not all about the ribbons and the medals. It's about the community. Good sportsmanship goes beyond the dressage, races, and show jumping. It's about respect. And, well, I'd rather lose fairly than win through...
Holy shit!
Should we do something about this?
I want to see where this is going.
Enough! You two are disqualified. This behavior is unacceptable.
Where'd everyone else go?
I guess they got scared and ran away.
Well, you two are disqualified. You have to pick a winner. It can't be either of you two.
Goldie Shipmansworth! Yippee!